Hi guys, Jodie from JPS Advisors. So we're going through the Australian Survival Guide for early childhood for family daycare educators, and we're currently up to chapter 17, drop-off and collection times. Drop-off and collection times can be one of the busiest, most hectic time. Now it's different in family daycare than it is in centre-based care too, but if you're running a program that you need to be out of the door to take children to school or off to kindergarten or somewhere else, then you may need all of your families present, all the children there by 9:30, whatever that is, 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever that is. So if you've got those times set in place, then you may get an influx of children coming in at once. So you might have 3 or 4 enrolling at exactly the same time, 3 or 4 arriving at exactly the same time. Often with drop-off time, it's a time where families, it could be a Monday and families have got some things to pass over to you around the child's well-being. Over the weekend we did, or they may just want a little chat because I haven't seen you. The child may be unsettled, so the child may be struggling to separate, and then you've got another 2 or 3 children. You've got people coming in and out of doors, and in a family daycare residence, you may also have your own family coming and going, leaving for school, leaving for work, all those sorts of things. So drop-off and collection times can be really busy in family daycare, and often because a family daycare educator, you are by yourself. It's up to you to make sure that you've got eyes over everybody and where everybody's at, and that the doors are getting closed and all those sorts of things. So drop-off and collection times are also a time for handover. So that's a time where you want information from the family so that you know what to expect for the child on that day. And that collection time is where you would do a handover with the family as to how that child's day's been, what they can expect at home. They may have had a fall, they may not have slept well, they may not have eaten, they may have had a brilliant day, they may have done something really new and wonderful. So that's the time that you want to spend with families, making sure that you do that. So drop-off and collection times are really vital to your program, and it can make the difference between a child coming in and engaging in the program or a child coming in and remaining unsettled for a little while. So some of the recommendations around drop-off and collection time is making sure that you're prepared before the children come. And I say this all the time for family daycare educators, you do not want to get caught in your pajamas, but that's really the least of your worries some days. So making sure your program is ready and that you know the children that are coming, so you've prepared an interest-based activity or experience for them so that you know that when they come in, once they do their goodbyes, there's something there that they'll be interested in and they'll move into the program that way. With collection times, making sure that you've got activities going, because you'll know roughly, you'll have parents nominate what time they'll be coming to get their child. So if you've got people leaving between say 4 and 5 o'clock, that activity or experience time between say 4 and 5 o'clock would be quiet activities, or it would be activities that you could quickly pack up once they leave. You wouldn't be having messy play or art and craft at that time, and particularly because you are by yourself, that may be difficult to supervise. So making sure that you plan for those delivery and collection times can make or break the way your day goes. So you want to plan those out so that you can supervise, so that children are engaged, that you can manage your handovers, and that your day runs smoothly. You get your messages out to your families, make sure they sign in and out, have the children's bags packed, all those sorts of things, so that it is a smooth transition. And you do want everybody out of the program by whatever your time is that you finish working, so that you can get on with your life. It is your business after all. So, if you finish at 5 o'clock, then you need to do what you need to do at 5:05. So delivery and collection times. Now, there's more information in here, of course. Make sure, as in most of these chapters, there is the BOM here, which alerts you to where you can be liable for fines under the education and care legislation as a family daycare educator. So keep your eye out for that guy. Grab your copy of the book. I've got it all down here for you, and we'll talk again soon. See ya. Bye.